in teamwork. We are guided every day, we are taught every day, and we take home pride every day. The reason being our doctors who guide, teach, show us our goals. Happy Doctors' Day.
Namaskara. I am Dr. Shantala, Senior Obstetrician and Gynecologist at Vividus Hospital. I am happy to say that we have the state-of-art birthing facilities including NICU care at Vividus Hospital. I am confident that we can take care of the pregnant mothers including high-risk pregnancies as well as preterms and ensure utmost care to the mothers and their babies. ನಿಮಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೈದ್ಯರಿಗೂ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abhinami, Consultant Physician at Vividus Super Speciality Hospitals, Bengaluru. Here's wishing all the doctors around the world a very happy Doctors' Day from Team Vividus.
One of the most sought after profession in the world is definitely a doctor. Indeed, doctors work clinically and emotionally. Vividus, which is your smart neighborhood hospital, have these esteemed doctors who have been thriving to save and serve lives during the pandemic. I, Anita Modugula, Director of Vividus Hospitals, are thanking all the doctors and wishing all the doctors a very happy Doctors' Day.
Care given by heart along with good service will always earn great respect. At Vividus Hospital, our motto is to keep all our patients happy by heart. I thank all our doctors who believe in this. I wish all doctors a happy Doctors' Day.
I am Dr. V.N. Raju, Senior Anesthesiologist and Chief Intensivist at Vividus Hospital. Here at Vividus Hospital, we have well-equipped, advanced operation theatres, ICU and dialysis facility. With this, I wish all the doctors a very happy Doctors' Day.
I am Dr. Vanitha, Consulting Obstetrician and Gynecologist at Vividus Hospital. In Vividus Hospital, we work as a team towards safe motherhood and childbirth. We also have infertility and laparoscopic services to ensure that complete women's care is given under one roof. I wish all the doctors happy Doctors' Day.
I am Dr. Asha Swaroop. I am a Senior Obstetrician Gynecologist at Vividus Hospital. I wish all the doctors happy Doctors' Day.
I am Dr. Ashok, Senior Orthopedic Surgeon here at Vividus Hospital. I am a joint replacement and complex trauma surgeon. Here at Vividus, we have a state-of-the-art OT with excellent laminar flow system, and we have all modern equipments, particularly like C-arm, to ensure that all surgeries what we do gives us excellent results, and we can also perform any advanced surgeries here. I wish you all a very happy Doctors' Day.
I'm Dr. Sana Gangadkar. I specialize in internal medicine and I am a consultant physician in Vividus Hospitals, Bangalore. I routinely treat patients with conditions such as pneumonias, heart diseases, COPDs, diabetes, hypertension and others. And I diagnose, treat and counsel the patients in the overall prevention of such disorders and guide them for the overall wellness. And with this, I want to wish all the doctors a very happy Doctors' Day.
Every day, I see children smile. This smile boosts me to work harder. We want all our children who walk in here to go back healthier, happier and like never before. Wishing all my colleagues who help us to do this a happy Doctors' Day.
An excellent treatment and a great service. An enormous thank you, Dr. Avinash. I truly thank all the doctors who took care of me very well. It's a review from a patient. In spite of so much violence against the doctor, this small capsule of appreciation will boost our confidence and make us more dedicated toward the patient care. Happy Doctors' Day.